Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock the GOJO V2 in Sailor Piece. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to unlock the GOJO V2, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is make your way over to the teleporter. From the teleporter, make your way over to Shinjuku Island. From Shinjuku Island, what you want to then do is make your way over to one of the buildings where he should be on. I believe he's on one of these buildings over here. Go ahead and just find him. He should be on this one, I'm pretty sure. Yep, there we go. And now once we basically find GOJO, what we want to do from here is you want to have the strongest sorcerer title, the 6-eye Eaton, 9 reversal pulse, 3 blue singularity, and 1 infinity essence. And when you have that, you guys can go ahead and unlock the GOJO V2, and you will be able to continue from there. So that should be pretty much it for the video. That is basically how to unlock the GOJO V2. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.